Alright, so what's up guys? I have a parcel in front of me, and by the title you would already know what is in this box itself. So without wasting any time, let's quickly unbox this and get right into it. So taking the packaging off, we have the product itself, and this is indeed the OnePlus Band in black color. So we'll keep the box aside for now. And this is it. This is the box, plain and simple box. We have a couple of features listed on the back. The main thing is the blood oxygen meter, and I'm pretty excited to try it out on the band itself. Then we have sleep tracking, we have 24/7 heart rate tracking, we have 13 exercise modes, we have dual color and many features, as you can see. And yeah, I'm very much excited to try it out. So yeah, let's quickly unbox this and set it up with my Android phone. So on opening the box, we have a plastic kind of thing and nothing else in the box. The box is empty. So we have this, and yeah, straight away we have the watch, or the band itself, not the watch, and we have some paperwork. We'll quickly read this. We have the let's get started, we have safety and warranty, and then we have the red cable club card. It says unravel a world of exclusive perks with red label, or red cable, sorry. Then we have down below the charging brick, I think. Yeah, so quickly taking this off. I'm a bit disappointed because I wanted an inbuilt charger where I can just plug my USB-C or a micro USB into the watch itself, but we have this separate charging brick that we'll have to carry everywhere we go, so that's a bit of a disappointment. But yeah, keeping this aside, we'll take a look at the band itself, and there we go. This is the OnePlus Band, and we have a plastic cover on the band, which I'll quickly take off. There we go. Okay, it's upside down. So the logo is on the bottom, and first impressions, it actually looks and feels really good. I really like the texture that they have going on the band, and yeah, it's pretty good. So before going further deep into the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I have had my fair share of smart watch usage and smart band usage as well. So I have used a couple of smart watches in the past, taking back to the Moto 360 Gen 1, then the Gen 2 and the Apple Watch. And I've also used a couple of smart bands which are right over here. So one of it is a Honor band, and the other one is the Zebronics band, I think. So yeah, I have got my fair share of experience considering the smart bands as well. So I'm pretty excited to test this particular band out because I want to know how accurate this band is. Both the watches were not as accurate as I would like them to be. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try it out. So yeah, let's quickly set it up with our phone itself. I've got my phone right over here with the OnePlus Health App in my phone itself, and I think it's dead. I'll have to, I think, charge it. So yeah, I'll just quickly put it. Okay, I don't think you can charge it this way. I think you'll have to take the module out first, and then you'll be able to charge it, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so on attaching a power bank, this band is already 98% charged. So I don't know how to turn this on. I'll just quickly. Okay, so I instantly got this message on the watch. I'll just quickly turn on the light mode for you guys to better see the app. I'll go to manage real quick. I'll go to add device, turn on Bluetooth, allow, and we'll wait. Okay, OnePlus Band, there we go, preparing, and allow access, pair, and it's paired. Okay, continue. Okay, continue, stay connected, allow. Okay, allow. Then notifications as well, OnePlus Health, there we go, allow. And going back, we will wear it on the left hand. Get started. Okay, set now. So I'm just taking you guys through, what what you will go through when you get your band itself. There we go. Log the health app. Okay, third party. Okay, I'll do that later. So going back, there we go. We have the band listed over here, and it says connected, 98% battery. If we go into more, we have device update, new version available. So when you get this band, there will be a new version available. So we'll just quickly do that. Current version. Okay, auto download, update. It's downloading, and yeah, I'll be right back once the update is done. Okay, so I got a vibration on my band and it's downloading the update now, and yeah, I'll let it download the update and I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, so the watch is connected successfully and it says connecting to the band. I think it's rebooting now and it's connected. I think the watch is booted back up. Yep. Okay, so now let's take a look at the app itself. This is the OnePlus Health App and it is right now only available for Android devices, and you will need this app to pair your OnePlus Band to your phone. So this is the main page where you'll get to see the actual health. You have the fitness, which you'll get to see your map on when you live at, and so on. On the main page, you'll get to see a couple of things like heart rate, you have sleep, you have SpO2, then fitness, and then if you go into manage, you get all the features. So first things first is the OnePlus Band. It says connected, battery level at 71. Then we have watch faces, and you have plenty of watch faces over here. If you go into discover, you'll get a ton more of watch faces. As you can see, you can basically put your 5 favorites on the top. So then you can, on the watch, if you want to change it, you can just swipe right or left and it will basically change the watch face to whatever you want. So once that is done, if you go into photos, you can basically set the photo to whatever you want. Basically you can customize the watch face to your liking. Then in the world clock, you get the world clock. Then going back again, we have tips, and these are nothing but the watch tip. If you want to check this out, you can go ahead and do that. And going back, we have more, and in more, the first thing is sync phone notifications. And here you can basically select what all apps you want to receive notifications from on your app. You can select your favorite apps, or you can deselect the apps that you don't want notifications from. Then going back, we have alarms. You can set custom alarms, so the band will actually vibrate and wake you up. Then we have workout and health settings. In this you can set your goal, so your step goal, your calorie goal, you have heart rate tracking. I have set this to every second because I want to actually make 100% use of this band. I have also set the SpO2 in real time, so it will actually consume more battery, but then again you'll get the maximum usage of your band. The 14-day battery life given is with everything turned off. So yeah, you won't get the 14 days, but I'm fine with getting either 2 or 5 days of battery on one charge. Then going back again, we have preferences, and here you will be asked on what hand you want to wear this. You have the raise to wake, you have night mode, you have band apps. So the band apps are nothing but the apps that you see on the band. So you can swipe up to see a couple of apps. I'll get into this a bit later, but for now we'll see what is in the app. Then if you go back, we have auto launch media controller. So if you play something on YouTube or Spotify or any music player, you'll get the media control right over on your watch. Then going back, we have app protection. Again, if you want to protect the app, you can read this and you can actually implement this if you want. Then going down, device update, it is on the latest version. I got this update after unboxing the watch. So if you are getting this watch or band, make sure you check for updates. And about band is nothing but about the band. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the app itself. I'll just quickly keep the phone aside now for a second and we'll take a look at the actual band itself. So this is the band. I'll quickly wear it and see how it fits. and there we go. This is the band, and it fits pretty comfortably in my hand. And yeah, I mean, it is comfortable, and it is very lightweight compared to these two bands. It is very lightweight. You can get to see the display here on how big it is, or if you feel it's small, you can see how small it is. Okay, so let's talk about the band itself, and this is the display that you get. To actually see the display size, all you have to do is set your watch face to something brighter. So if you set it to something brighter, you'll get to see the actual display size. And personally, I think that it is a bit smaller to what I would have liked, but then again, all other watches or bands rock the same display, so no complaints. Just set it to something dark or a darker watch face, and then you're good to go. So now about the band features. If you tap on your watch face, you'll get to see the battery, the do not disturb, and if your Bluetooth is on or not. If you tap back, you'll go to the watch face. To browse the menus, all you have to do is swipe up and you'll get into the menus. The first menu is daily activity. If you tap on it, you'll get to see the steps and so on. If you want to go back, all you have to do is swipe to the right, and then you'll go back. Swiping down again, you'll get to see your workouts, and as I mentioned, there are 13 workouts. Swiping down, you have heart rate. If you tap on this, you'll get to see your heart rate. If you swipe down again, you'll get your SpO2 or your blood oximeter basically. If you swipe down, you have sleep, which will basically be tracking your sleep. And yeah, I'd recommend you guys to wear this while sleeping so that you can get, or you'll get your sleep data once it is available. If you swipe down or up again, you'll get the breathe, which will basically give you notifications to breathe for a while in your day. If you swipe up again, you get your weather for your specific location. If you go up, you get tools, and in tools you have the music, you have stopwatch, you have timer, alarm, camera shutter, and find phone. So if you tap on find phone, it'll actually ring your phone. As you saw, the phone actually rang. Then if you go back again, you have settings, and in settings you have brightness. I would suggest set it to 100% always, because if you go out in sunrise or sunshine, you will not be able to see the display as good as indoors. Then if you go back, you have display time, set it to the maximum of 10 seconds. Then going back, you have vibration, put it to strong again to actually get to see what all notifications you get. Going back again, we have reset, shutdown, reboot, about band, and the information. And yeah, going back again or going down again, we have notifications, and I see no new notifications, so go back, and that is pretty much it. So that is the OnePlus Band and all the features that you get with the band itself, and all the settings that you get with the band itself. So now coming on to the giveaway and the part which everyone was waiting for. Yes, I'm going to give one of the OnePlus Band away to one of my lucky subscriber. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and once that is done, just make sure to comment your Instagram and Twitter ID down below, and I'll be selecting a winner in 1 week. 1 week from publishing this particular video, so 7 days after this video is published, I'll be selecting the winner. I'll be announcing the winner on Instagram as well as on Twitter, and I will also be commenting the name of the winner down in the comment section, and I'll pin it, or I'll pin the comment to the top so you guys can check it out if you have won or not. But don't worry, I'll also be DMing whoever wins. I'll DM him or her that they have won and ask about their details, and then I'll be shipping out the band to them. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This was the OnePlus Band, and good luck with the giveaway. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.